In a move that is likely to draw international attention to Zimbabwe's alleged human rights abuses and shrinking democratic space, 44 civil society organizations from across Africa have expressed their collective concern about the country's deteriorating political situation. Achiperi mushemu reZimbabwe nawe achizopindirwa. Sana bina mashuka kudai nyogwa mzara nasi kuti bo subscribe or like out na on the bell icon. Tipita mnaumonyo kwa mchinzi. Recently, dozens of student leaders under the Zimbabwe National Student Union (ZINASU) were beaten before being arrested by the police while holding their annual General Council meeting in Harare. Against this background, 44 human rights and civil society organizations from across Africa, including WANELO, the Botswana Center for Human Rights, Ecumenical Service of Southern Africa (CASA), Friends of Angola (FOA), Human Rights Forum South Africa, Human Rights Institute of South Africa, and International Commission of Jurists (ICJ) have raised concern about the political situation in Zimbabwe. Human rights and civil society organizations across the African continent are deeply concerned about the severe restriction of civic space and the systematic erosion of fundamental freedoms in Zimbabwe, the organization said in a joint statement. Tudze mafundo enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, tichiona nyika yeZimbabwe muchiitwa massive human rights abuses. Zvataona kuti ma-international observers nema-human rights unions emuAfrica vanenge vachikomenda vachiti pari kudiwa action apapa, panofanira kutekwa action nekuda kwema-abductions ema-tortures ari kuitika. Pane comment section medu kutidze mafungiro enyu. Musakanga no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.